Once you've downloaded the MOVE app, you need to create an account. To get started, you'll need your mobile phone, an email address with account that you can access, and your ID or passport. The first time you run the MOVE app, you'll go straight into the setup. If you want to keep up to date on special offers, promotions, news and other benefits, tap Allow to receive notifications. You'll be asked your location and your preferred language. Now you'll see the login screen. Tap on the Create Account button to start your MOVE journey. Put in your email and a new password. Your password should be at least 8 characters, including 1 uppercase, 1 lowercase, 1 number. To continue, tap on Next and you'll be sent an email with a verification code. Confirm your account by entering the verification code and tapping Verify. To connect your new account to your Manulife policy and receive exclusive rewards, you will be asked to enter your ID or passport details. Enter your date of birth and tap Activate Now. Your account is now active. In the next video, we'll show you how to connect a fitness tracker so you can track your steps to join challenges and earn rewards.